Yeah, fool. So we're gonna work on that shit?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna get something to grub. Nothing. Nothing. Butter. Chicken eyes. The fuck? Hey, what the fuck is that?
Where at? What the fuck is that?
Hey, who said he fool? Look at this shit. It's a pile of ants.
What the fuck is that? Damn, there's a lot of motherfucking ants. Damn, for real is a lot.
If you touch it,
Fuck that.
hey, look, there's still more coming.
There's a lot of motherfucking ants.
Damn, we should call pest control. Yeah, fool, what the fuck is this a lot? It's not a lot, but like, damn.
It is a lot.
Just to be in a refrigerator? Damn, too much. I want to touch it, but like, it's nasty.
Fuck man, that's fucking nasty. Yeah, touch it.
What do you have? If we got something to touch it?
Yeah.
What the hell's that? Oh, that's just nasty. That's just... nothing more. If we put it back... Oh, fool, that's nasty, dog. That's just disgusting.